Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about TransferWise. That's TransferWise, the international payment or money transfer app. It's right here, this blue icon with like a blue flag. If you don't have the app already, be sure to click the description below. I will leave my referral link. When you sign up with my link, I get a little bonus and you get a little bonus when signing up, at least as of the promotion right now. But you can also go into the App Store or Google Play and download it. Just look for TransferWise. So let me go ahead and open up the app. All right, today we're going to talk about how to withdraw money from your TransferWise account. So if you have a balance on your TransferWise and you would like to receive that money, that's what we're going to talk about. So the first thing you want to do is go to your account button, which is right down here on the bottom left. It's the second one in. It says account. Once you're in this screen, then it's going to show any kind of balances that you have, whether it's US dollars or some other form of currency. It will be listed here. For me, I only have the $20 minimum that was required to open up the account. That's 20 US dollars. And it's just sitting there. So how do you withdraw that money? Well, it's pretty easy. Let's go ahead and talk about that. First off, if you've already ordered the MasterCard like I have, once you get that, then you can just spend the money right off of your MasterCard. So that's probably the easiest way to use the money out of your account. You just use the card as you normally would at an ATM or to pay for gas or at a restaurant, things like that. That's the easiest way. But what if you want the cash into a different bank account? Well, that's pretty easy. All you do is just click on the balance for your account. So I'm going to click on my US dollar balance. All right. So once you're in here, then you can see your balance up here along with your particular banking details for that account. And if you want to withdraw that money into a different bank account for you to withdraw, all you do is click send right here. All right. So once you're here in send, it's going to show any kind of recipients that you can send the money to. So if you want to send this out to someone, you can do that, or you can send it to another one of your banks. So I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to click add recipient, and at the top, I'm going to click myself, which is this button right here. You can also send to somebody else or another business or charity. All right, so I went ahead and clicked on myself because that is the person I'm going to send the money to. Next, you want to choose which currency you're going to be sending out. I'm going to choose US dollars. All right, so now I've chosen US dollars and I need to put in my banking information, and that is the bank that I'm going to send my money from my TransferWise account to my normal everyday bank. So I bank with Chase, so I'm going to transfer the money from my TransferWise account into my US dollars Chase bank account. So let me go ahead and put in my routing number and my account number off screen. All right, so I went ahead and put in my checking information, and I'm gonna go ahead and click add. All right, next comes up this screen that says I have 20 US dollars available. How much would I like to send? You can click send it all, which is 20, and there is the fee that's immediately added in to the amount you're going to be sending out. So if you're going to be sending $20, it looks like they charge $1.40. So in my other account, I will receive $18.60. Let's go ahead and change that right here to $10. All right, so it looks like the fee is still $1.40. So that is the fee to send money out. Let's do one last thing and see if we can add more. All right, so it looks like I cannot send $200 because I only have $20 in my account. But if I were to send $200, it looks like the fee is still $1.40. So I'm gonna go ahead and just send out $10 to show how this function works. So I've entered 10, I'm going to be charged $1.40. So in my other US bank account, my Chase account, I will receive $8.60. I'm gonna click continue. All right, next I come up with this confirmation screen. It says the money will arrive in about 22 hours, sending 10 US dollars. It confirms the banking and a routing number. So I'm gonna go ahead and click confirm and send. All right, so I get this confirmation screen saying it's all done. Just click down here at the bottom and got it. All right, so here is the activity screen for that particular transaction. As you can see, it was today. I've set up the transfer. I used $10 of my US dollar balances that are inside my TransferWise account, sending it to an external Chase account. It says the money is being processed, and they're saying they will pay out in the next 9 hours, and then my money will be available in my Chase account on July 10th, which happens to be tomorrow. Today, when I'm filming this video, it's July 9th. So that's one way that you can withdraw your money from your TransferWise account. Let me click back to my account right now. Okay, so that's the transfer. And again, the last way that you want to do that, if you want to withdraw money from your TransferWise account, is with the debit card. So as you can see, I've ordered my debit card. It's in the mail right now. Should be receiving that in a few days. Once I get that, then I can go to an ATM and use the PIN number and withdraw money from my TransferWise account, which is really probably the most convenient way to withdraw money off your TransferWise account. All right, so there you have it. That is how to withdraw money off your TransferWise app online account. Hopefully you found the video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.